The affiliate marketing landscape is booming. Global affiliate marketing spending is projected to reach $12 billion in 2024. This impressive figure highlights the incredible potential of this business model. With countless opportunities for individuals to earn substantial income online, affiliate marketing has become a popular choice for those seeking financial freedom. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's about partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for every sale or action, like a sign-up made through your unique referral link. This performance-based model rewards your efforts directly. The more you promote, the more you earn. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or simply passionate about a particular niche, affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to monetize your online presence. It's a win-win situation. Businesses expand their reach and increase sales, while you earn passive income by recommending products you believe in. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its flexibility and accessibility. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Instead, you can focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience and recommending valuable solutions that enhance their lives. Line your affiliate marketing efforts and achieve success. Section 6. Key takeaways, your roadmap to affiliate marketing success. Throughout this essay, we've explored the exciting world of affiliate marketing, uncovering its potential for passive income and providing practical strategies for success. Let's recap the key takeaways to guide you on your journey. The affiliate marketing industry is booming, presenting vast opportunities for individuals to earn substantial income online. Affiliate marketing offers flexibility, allowing you to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. Be aware of common challenges like niche selection, product promotion, and building trust. Focus on selecting high-quality products, building a loyal audience, and leveraging the power of social media. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start implementing the actionable steps outlined in this essay today. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is attainable with the right mindset, dedication, and consistent effort. By focusing on providing value, building relationships, and promoting products you genuinely believe in, you can achieve your affiliate marketing goals and create the life you desire. Section 7. Join the conversation, share, learn, and grow. As you embark on your affiliate marketing adventure, remember that you don't have to go it alone. Connect with fellow affiliate marketers, share your experiences, and learn from each other's successes and challenges. We encourage you to share your thoughts, questions, and insights in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn, grow, and thrive in the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing. Are you ready to take the next step? Explore our website for advanced strategies, case studies, and resources to help you take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. Your journey to passive income and online success starts today.